Okay. Let us take the next question of exercise 3.1, that is the fifth question. Here it is given that in figure 3.17, POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. We have to prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So let us write the given information. It is given that the line POQ, it is a line. This is the first information. And also it is given that ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to line PQ. What we have to prove is angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 into angle QOS minus angle POS. This is what we have to prove. Let us see the solution. Now, since in the right hand side we have QOS minus POS, I'll first see what is angle QOS, and I'll write angle QOS in terms of ROS. So QOS is equal to ROS plus ROQ. So angle QOS is equal to angle ROS plus angle ROQ. So angle QOS is equal to angle ROS plus angle ROQ. So let this be the first equation. And now I want to see what is angle POS, because even POS is there in the right hand side of the equation that we have to prove. So I'll write POS in terms of ROS. How can we write that? Angle POS is equal to POR minus ROS. Correct? Angle POS can be written as angle POR minus angle ROS. Angle POR minus angle ROS. This is equation 2. Now, since it is angle QOS minus angle POS, I'll subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So, what do we get? Angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to, so angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to angle ROS plus angle ROQ minus angle POR minus angle ROS. So let's solve the right hand side of this equation. Angle ROS plus angle ROQ minus, when we open this bracket, this will become minus. So minus angle POR minus into minus plus angle ROS. So we have 2 times ROS. I'll write it together here. 2 into angle ROS. And we know that angle ROQ is equal to 90 degrees. So it is plus 90, and angle POR is also 90 degrees, because since it is given that OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, we have angle ROQ is equal to angle ROP is equal to 90 degrees. So it is plus 90 and minus 90 here. So it gets cancelled out. So what is remaining? Therefore, I'll write this on, that is, whatever is present on the right hand side in the equation right now, I'll write it on the left hand side. That is 2 into angle ROS is equal to whatever is there in the left hand side, I'll write it in the right hand side. Angle QOS minus angle POS. So this is what is present. What we have to prove? What is ROS? So I'll just bring this 2 to the denominator here. So angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 into angle QoS minus angle POS. So this is what we had to prove. Angle ROS is equal to half the angle QoS minus angle POS. Hence, proved. Okay, let us see the sixth question of exercise 3.1. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees and XY is produced to a point P. Draw the figure from the given information. So let's draw the figure from the given information. So it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. I'll randomly draw an acute angle. Okay. So it is given that angle X, Y, Z, here this angle is equal to 64 degrees. So this is what is given. Next, the information is XY is produced to a point P. XY is produced to a point P. So let me produce it to a point P here. This is the point P. Now YQ bisects angle ZYP. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. So angle ZYP is over here. We have to draw a ray such a way that it bisects this particular angle. So I'll draw the ray something like this. So this is ray YQ. I'll name it as Q. So ray YQ bisects the angle ZYP. So if from all of this given information, finally we have to find out what is angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So these are the two things that we have to find out. First, let us write down the given information. So it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. And the second information given is YQ is a ray that bisects angle ZYP. Therefore, angle QYZ is equal to angle QYP. Since YQ bisects angle ZYP. So this is the given information. What we have to find out is angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. These are the two things that we have to find out. Now let us see the solution. XP is a line segment. So XP is a line segment. So since it is a line segment, the sum of all the adjacent angles over here will be equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle QYP plus angle QYZ plus angle XYZ is equal to 180 degrees. Since we know what is XYZ and we also know for a fact that angle QYZ is equal to angle QYP. So we can write this part as 2 into angle QYP since they are equal, plus XYZ is given as 64 degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees on the right hand side. Now let us calculate 2 into angle QYP is equal to 180 degrees minus 64. Let's calculate that in the rough space over here. 180 minus 64 is, we got it as 116. So that is equal to 116 degrees. Now angle QYP is equal to, we know angle QYP is equal to angle QYZ is equal to, how much is it? I'm so sorry. On the right hand side we had 116 divided by, you bring the 2 at the denominator. So if we calculate this, we have it is 58 degrees. So we have the answer for angle QYP, which is equal to angle QYZ is equal to 58 degrees. Now what do we have to find out? XYQ. XYQ. And we know that angle XYQ constitutes of two angles, that is angle XYZ plus angle QYZ. So angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle QYZ. So we know that angle XYZ is 64 degrees plus angle QYZ is equal to 58 degrees. So let's calculate in the rough space provided here. 12. So we got it as 122 degrees. So one of the answer is angle XYQ is equal to 122 degrees. Now let us find out the second angle that we need, that is the reflex angle QYP. Reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 degrees minus angle QYP. And how much is it? We know that angle QYP is equal to 58 degrees. So 360 degrees minus 58 degrees is nothing but 302. We got the angle as 302. So angle XYQ is equal to 122 degrees. Angle, that is reflex angle QYP is equal to 302 degrees. So when we say reflex angle QYP, it is this particular angle. So reflex angle QYP is equal to 302 degrees.